Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about physics. At first, I am starting from the first chapter of class 11. This is the starting point of higher physics. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. চলো আমি তোমাদের ফার্স্ট চ্যাপ্টারটা শুরু করছি। ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন ইজ হোয়াট ইজ ফিজিক্স। সবার আগে তোমাদের ফিজিক্স সম্পর্কে জানতে হবে। আমরা আকাশে রেইনবো দেখতে পাই। রেইনবো ইজ আ ন্যাচারাল ফেনোমেনা which can be described by the law of physics. এরকম অনেক ন্যাচারাল ফেনোমেনাকে আমরা ফিজিক্স দিয়ে ডেসক্রাইব করতে পারি। নাও a simple definition of physics is the natural science that studies matter, its motion behavior through space and time, and the relative entities of energy and force. Physics is one of the most fundamental scientific disciplines, okay, and its main goal is to understand how the universe behaves. Okay, they are two great scientists, Sir Isaac Newton and Albert Einstein. Sir Isaac Newton discovered the law of motion and universal gravitational law, and Albert Einstein discovered the theory of relativity and the many other modern physical phenomena. Okay, here the two domain of physics, there have two domain of physics, one is microscopic, another is macroscopic. Microscopic means proton, neutron, electron, that is which cannot seen by naked eyes, and macroscopic means which can see by naked eyes. Okay, at present days four fundamental forces are there: gravitational force, weak nuclear force, electromagnetic force and strong nuclear force. Gravitational force power, that means attraction সব থেকে কম হয়, and strong nuclear force attraction সব থেকে বেশি হয়. Okay, now let's discuss about physics, technology and society. Nowadays we are mostly dependent on science and technology. Not mostly, we can say we are totally dependent on science and technology. Physics gives rise to technology which had great impact on the course of human civilization. There have so many use of physics like electricity, mobile, internet, TV, refrigerator, etc. Also there have negative impact of science like nuclear weapon and ozone depletion, etc. Now discuss about measurement of physical quantity. At first we have to know about the physical quantity. A physical quantity is any phenomena that can be measured with an instrument or can be calculated. Mass, length and time are the most fundamental physical quantity. এবার height is the physical quantity. যদি আমরা কোনো বস্তুর height 5 সেমি বলি তাহলে আমাদের বস্তু সম্পর্কে একটা ধারণা হয়। তাই এখানে সেমি is the unit of height. So unit is important. Now let's discuss unit of measurement. To represent the above quantity, that means mass, length and time, we use unit. Unit of physical quantity is unique. There have three system of unit: CGS, FPS and MKS. And another useful unit system is SI unit, that is the International System of Unit. Unit of length, mass and time in SI unit are meter, kilogram and second. And centimeter can write like cm, not c.m. Now let's discuss about the dimension of physical quantity. The definition is given. The dimension of physical quantity means কোনো physical quantity কে কোয়ান্টিটি কিভাবে ফান্ডামেন্টাল কোয়ান্টিটির উপর নির্ভর করে তা ডাইরেক্টলি ডাইমেনশন থেকে আমরা বুঝতে পারি। Hence dimensional of physical quantity is important. So dimension of length, mass and time is L, M and T respectively. The dimension of angle we know angle is arc by radius, so dimension is L by L is 1. So angle is the dimensionless quantity. ওকে, এবার আমরা তাহলে কতগুলো এক্সাম্পলের সাহায্যে দেখে নিই কী করে ডাইমেনশন বের করব ডিফারেন্ট ফিজিক্যাল কোয়ান্টিটির। At first, find the dimension of velocity. We know velocity is equal to displacement by time. So the displacement is length, so its dimension is L, and dimension of time is t. So velocity, dimension of velocity is L t to the power minus 1. From the dimension, we can find the unit of velocity. So the unit of velocity will be L for meter, length unit is meter, and t time unit of time is second. So m meter per second or meter second inverse. Now another example, force equal to mass into acceleration. This is the Newton's second law. We know acceleration is velocity by time. Okay, so that velocity, dimension of velocity is L t to the power minus 1. So here mass, dimension of mass is m, L t to the power minus 1 by t. After calculation, the dimension of force is m L t to the power minus 2. Okay, now from the dimension we can find the unit of force. Mass is kg, length meter, and time is second. So kg meter second to the power minus 1. This formula is known as Newton. So unit of force is Newton. Now we have to study dimensional analysis. ডাইমেনশনাল অ্যানালাইসিসের সাহায্যে প্রথমত আমরা তিনটি কাজ করতে পারি। নাম্বার 1, কোনো ফিজিক্যাল কোয়ান্টিটি ওয়ান ইউনিট সিস্টেম থেকে অন্য ইউনিট সিস্টেমে কনভার্ট করতে পারি। নাম্বার 2, কোনো ইকুয়েশন কারেক্ট কিনা পরীক্ষা করতে পারি। অ্যান্ড থার্ড ইজ কোনো ফিজিক্যাল কোয়ান্টিটিগুলোর মধ্যে সম্পর্ক, দ্যাট মিনস রিলেশন বিটুইন the different physical quantity we can measure. Okay, here I will show you one example, the third one. বাকি দুটো তুমি তোমাদের বই থেকে দেখে নেবে, যদি না বোঝো আমাকে কমেন্ট করে জানিয়ে দিও। Now let's discuss about this problem. Find the relation between time period and mass of the bob, length and acceleration of a simple pendulum. Simple pendulum time period, mass, length and acceleration মধ্যে রিলেশন বের করতে হবে। Only these things are given. Okay, now we can write t equal to k m to the power x, l to the power y, g to the power z. Okay, now here k is dimensionless constant, so its unit is 1. And the dimension of mass is m, and the dimension of length is L, and the dimension of g is L t to the power minus 2. This is acceleration, so its dimension is this. Now from equation 1, এই ভ্যালুগুলো equation 1 এ বসিয়ে পাই t equal to 1, k dimension is 1, m to the power x, l to the power y, to the minus 2 to the power z. We know m to the power 0, or something to the power 0 is 1, so m to the power 0, m to the power 0, l to the power 0, t to the power 1, that means t. So we can write like this way, equal to m to the power x, l to the power y plus z, or t to the power minus 2z. Now comparing the power of m, l, t from both sides. Now আমরা both side power compare করব। So here x equal to 0 and y plus z equal to 0, and minus 2z will be 1. So minus 2z equal to 1, so z equal to minus half. And by putting the value of z in this equation, we can find the value of y. So the value of y is equal to minus z, so y equal to half. Putting this in equation 1, t equal to k m to the power 0, x equal to 0, so m to the power 0, l to the power half, and g to the power minus half. So t equal to k root over of l by g. Okay, we got the relation between t, l, g and m. So the time period of a simple pendulum is not depend on mass, we know. So here we got the correct equation. If we know the value of T, L and G, then we can find the value of K. So here K will be 2 pi. So the final original equation is T equal to 2 pi root over of L G. This is the process to find the relation between different physical quantity. Okay. Since theta is a dimensionless quantity, we cannot measure the relation W equal to Fs cos theta by dimensional analysis. W means work done. We know work done equal to force into displacement, force F and displacement S, and the theta is the angle between force and the displacement. Since theta is dimensionless quantity, hence we cannot measure the relation by dimensional analysis. This is the limitation of dimensional analysis. In the next video, I will discuss about the calculation of error and significance number. Okay? Thank you for watching my video.